I don't know whether you've had a chance to try the new Pika effects, but they are absolutely crazy. So some of the effects that you can expect to create include the melt it, you have the squish it, inflate it, explode it, among others. So let's just go ahead and start creating these effects. So for this, we'll be using Pika 1.5. So let's just go ahead and do that. So if you do not have an account with Pika Labs, all you have to do is go to pika.art. Then go ahead and sign up for an account using an email address, your Discord account, or just your Gmail account. Now click on try now and you'll see all the available effects. So for instance, we have the squish it, we have the inflate it. So all you have to do now is just go ahead and attach the image that you want to use. So you can go ahead and create one with Pika, or you can go ahead and upload your own. Like I said, there are several effects that you can choose from. So the first one is inflate it, second is melt it, then explode it, squish it, then crush it, and we also have an option to turn our image into a cake. Now, to do this, like I said, you can go ahead and create an image right here with Pika Labs, or you can just go ahead and attach your own image through this attach button. So once your image has been attached, you can see the effect that you chose, then go ahead and click on the create button. So this is going to start generating your image for you, and this is just going to take a couple of minutes. So in our case, our video is almost ready. So here it is. So you can just go ahead and play your video, see how it turned out. So let's just go ahead and play this one. So there it is. It's actually good. So you can just go ahead and click on this download button to download your video. So if you want to continue creating your videos, so what you have to do is just the same procedure. So you can go ahead and attach your image from this button. Go ahead and choose the image that you want to use. So normally you just go ahead and input your prompt over here, but since you're using the effect, you go to the bottom and click on Pika effects. Then you'll be able to see all the available effects. So now we're going to choose a different effect for this case. So we're going to choose maybe squish it. So once you've chosen it, you'll see that it will appear in the prompt box. And once that is done, then just follow the same procedure. Just go ahead and hit this generate button. Again, this is just going to take a few minutes to generate your image, to generate your video. And once it's ready, you can always go ahead and look at it. If you like it, just go ahead and download it. If not, you can always regenerate it. So our video is here and it's actually really good. So to do this, just go to the top. You can see the download button, So once you click on it, this is just going to download directly to your computer. So you can actually do this with different types of images. So remember, the primary object in your image is what's going to be used to, for the effect. So in this case, the girl is the primary object. So as you can see, the effect has been applied on the girl and it's actually been done so well. So you can just go ahead and do this using different types of images. You can have images that have people, you can have images that have cars, that have animals. That's totally up to you. But like I said, remember the primary object is what's going to be used for the effect. So I'm having a lot of fun doing this actually. So just go ahead and try this. Let me know what your experience is with all this. So for those of you that are probably struggling with prompting and, getting good results with AI tools, I have a prompt Bible that has over 300 prompts and you can use them as templates to generate whatever you want. So it's been categorized very well and you can just download it for free. It's in the description box below. And, get creative. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.